Today I'm sharing a simple drink recipe, lime juice. This is a perfect refreshing drink for hot afternoon. This recipe is for 3 servings. The ingredients needed are fresh lime. I will be using around 4 to 5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, depending on the sourness. Some mint leaves, ice cube, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 to 6 tablespoons of simple syrup. This is a homemade simple syrup. I will share the link in the description box. Lastly, 750 ml of drinking water. We start with cutting the mint leaf into small pieces. Take 5 to 6 leaves. Roll them all together and cut like this. Alright, the mint leaf is super simple and ready. Next, squeeze the lime juice. To get a maximum juice out of the lime, press the lime with your palm and roll it on a hard surface before juicing it. This lime is a bit hard to press. I will roll it for a few seconds. Now the lime is a bit soft and easier to press with your thumb. Continue with another lime. Alright, now I can cut it. Use a small knife to cut the lime into half. See, this is a seedless lime type. This lime will have a lot of juice, so I will cut just 2 lime for 3 glasses of lime juice. Next, juicing the lime. I have this type of tool. You can use any type that you have in your kitchen. Alternatively, just squeeze it with your hand. Put the half-cut lime over the juicer and press it down with all your strength. The lime juice will come out. Go down to the strainer and into the bowl underneath the juicer. Alright, this is the amount of the lime juice that I can get from 1.5 lime. Strain the lime juice to remove the seed and pieces of lime pulp. Leave aside. Next, cut a bit of lime skin and adding it into the drinks. This is optional. Some might not like it as it can be slightly bitter. I will add 2 small pieces. Cut them into very thin slices like this. Put the lime skin in a small bowl and now we can start making the lime juice. Put 3 tablespoons of lime juice in the drinking water. Add in the lime skin, mint leaves, salt, and 5 tablespoons of syrup. Give it a stir. Now I can give it a taste. It is lack a little sourness. Add in 2 more tablespoons of lime juice. And 1 more tablespoon of syrup. Give it a mix. And taste it again. Alright, it is a perfect blend now. Let's serve. Stir before serving so that the mint leaf will not clump together too much. I have 2 glasses filled with ice block here. We can dress up the glasses with slice of lime on the glass like this. Lovely. Cheers! Wow, so refreshing! A soothing balance of My Tangy cool lime juice with refreshing fragrant mint on a hot day. A little alcohol can be added if preferred to further blend the flavor and gives a little hints of bitterness. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!